My name is Vinay Prasad MS. Is a computer faculty. Okay, so today we are discussing motherboard. So what is actually the motherboard? One knows very well. What is motherboard? So motherboard means what? Yes. Any idea about motherboard? The motherboard is a main circuit board of computer which contains the CPUs and memories. It's actually main controlling of what CPUs and all the memories, and also expansions of slats, buses, video controller, and other electronic components. The main part of motherboard is completely control the electronic components, transferation of data, slats, okay, and the circuit board of computer, and also it is mainly part of CPUs, and it is maintains the memories. So this is we called as a motherboard characteristics. Okay, this is called as a motherboard characteristics. And also, what is actually the PCB? It is a large printed circuit board. So in our computer we have seen the large circuit board. We called as what PCB, the printed circuit board. Okay, let's move on to the types of motherboard. What is actually meant by types? So these are different parts, different category of motherboards. Okay, we have four types of motherboards. One is XT motherboard, another one is AT motherboard, one more is baby AT motherboards, and ATX motherboard. What is it means? Any idea, guys? Any idea? So okay, the XT motherboard means it is actually extended technology. For example, okay, we have a, okay, 500 GB hard disk. We have extended 750 hard disk. Yes, it is possible. We have insert the external hard disk, so that we call as a extended technology. Okay, we have only for the minimum GB, we are increases the more GBs. Either we are adapted for more GBs, we called as a extended. It's mean AT, which means that advanced technology. What is it means of advanced technology? So for example, okay, we already stand for Windows 10 now. It is coming in Windows 12, Windows 15, Windows 20, Windows 25. So it is really adapted our advanced technology. Yes, it is. Our motherboard is completely adapted for new technologies, advanced technologies, okay, versatile technologies. So that we call as AT means advanced technology. Baby AT motherboard means what? Baby AT motherboard means it is a combination of AT and XT, extended also and advanced also. It is completely extended and also advanced. So some part, okay, some of the part is actually working in either advanced is more, but extended is limited. Extended is more, advanced is minimal. So that kind of motherboard we called as baby AT motherboards. ATX motherboard means it is a advanced technology of extended motherboard. So here in this part we have looking into both. Okay, looking into the both. Our motherboard is exactly supported for advanced technology also, as well as extended technology also. For example, our GB, okay, our RAM is only for 2 GB. We are adapted for 6 GBs. Yes, it is also possible. So we have seen in weather casting, weathercasting mm, weathercasting sectors, okay, and then crime branch sectors and video game sectors. So and then animations, okay, movie makers, they can use us in new technologies and extended as well as advanced technology also, correct? So let's move on to the next topic is called components of motherboard. So this is very important for examination, okay, put it on the star, put it on the star here. So what is, okay, okay, you know that, okay, what is motherboard, and then we have seen some components also, right? Types we already seen, okay, four types, as well as we have seen, okay, we are going to see components of motherboard, okay, components, what it's mean of components. Processors, we called as a processors, and then BIOS, okay, BIOS, what is BIOS, what is BIOS, any idea? Basic input output system. What is BIOS? Is called as a basic input output system, CMOS. What it's mean? Complementary metal oxide semiconductor, write it down. Complementary metal oxide semiconductor. Next one we called as a slats. Slats means what? Slats means what? We can insert a pen drive, some ports is there, right? A opening space of in a computer where we can insert a print circuit board, so that we call as a slat. Disk controller, okay, disk controller, what it mean? Disk controller, disk controller, what it mean? Where we can see the disk controller, any idea? Any idea? So we have seen first C drive, D drive, E drive, correct, right? So that is a separators, separate drive, okay. How we categorized it is some separate from separate because of some different names, different sizes, okay, current, right, different sizes. So that is completely maintained by to whom? Disk controller. Input output ports and interfaces. What is that? Input output ports and interfaces, we called as a sockets on the computer. It is connected from external to the computer. Our switchboard, mouse connectors, keyboard connectors. So these are all the what? Input output ports and interfaces means it is interacting between the electric devices to our computer. Got it, guys? So what is, okay, so we are discussing one more thing is what is that bus means it is a collection of parallel wires, and it is carrying addresses, data, and also controls our passing data signals, we called as a bus. Is also important, okay, it is also important. This is called as components of motherboards, okay. So okay, guys, thank you for listening the classes, okay, thank you so much. We will continue with the next class.